Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn on Sidetone and how to manage it. You have to start by open Audeze application, and right here at the bottom we have a Sidetone, so just click on it and we turn on it. Now you have managed it. You have two options how to manage it. The first one is to use a physical wheel on your headphones. So move to the scroll it to the gamepad icon to make it more high, right here, or scroll it to the headphones icon to make it more lower. And here we go. Also you can use a slider in the application, so just move to the left to lower it and move to the right to make it more high. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.